We brought you our top 5 tips and tricks that could make your CV more appealing and get you closer to your dream job. Keep it short and simple. If you're not a senior professional with an extensive amount of experience, then everything, including your work history, education, and skills, should fit on one single page. Recruiters are going through hundreds of CVs, so your best shot is by having a well-structured resume with everything on the first page. Prioritize on the hard facts. A good resume has valid contact details, correct dates, and true statements only. Spend some time on elaborating your tasks and responsibilities here. Also make sure to mention that special skill or language the recruiter is looking for. Make sure you don't make any bold statement that will put you in an awkward situation. An example for this: people usually mention all the languages they ever picked up learning, but at the same time, they rarely speak a few of them fluently. You truly don't need these language skills tested on the interviews, do you? You need to understand the position first in order to use the right keywords in your CV. Recruiters are looking for the overlap of your experience, skills, and knowledge with their requirements. Therefore, investing a little time into finding these patterns in the job description goes a long way. Feel free to use the same expressions they used, but stay true to yourself and avoid the overusage of these words. Finally, share your vision. Everyone has some extracurricular reference, such as being good at presentations, helping a local community, or even programming at home to create a game. If you have any plans on using these skills in your future job, write it down. It's also important to have a good format. Check the current trends on the best CVs out there, collect some ideas for your layout, and start from there. Use bullet points, divide the content by sections, and try to come up with your own design. I really hope you found this tutorial useful, and remember, if you start implementing these tips in your CV writing, you will soon start to see results as well with your next application.